Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up Google Tag Manager in a Go High Level website. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to navigate to your Google Tag Manager. You're going to go to Admin and you are going to select the option that says Install Google Tag Manager. Here you are going to find two tracking codes, one that goes to the head of the page and one that goes to the body tag. So you are going to keep this tab open with the tracking codes and you are going to go to your Go High Level. You are going to go to Sites, you are going to select Websites, and you are going to click to your website. Once you come here, you are going to go to Settings, and under Settings, you are going to see an option here that says Head Tracking Code and another one here that says Body Tracking Code. So all you have to do is to copy the tracking code that goes to the head of the page, and then you're going to paste it in here. Then we're going to come here, we're going to copy the body tag, we are going to come and paste it here, and don't forget to scroll down, hit save, and that's it. That's how you can install Google Tag Manager in Go High Level websites. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.